Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you how to remove HTML elements. So there's two methods for this. There's the remove method and the empty method. The remove method removes the element that you've selected plus all its child elements. The empty just removes the child elements. So let me set up something here. So I'm going to say I am going to have a div. I'm going to say hello world, and I am going to put, what am I going to put? I'll just put more divs in here. Doesn't really matter what the content is. Now I'm going to say div 1. Okay, I'm going to put my favorite food. So pizza, fish fingers. I do like mashed potato as well. I had mashed potato and fish fingers yesterday. I think I need to have pizza then. Okay, so mashed potato. And if we want to, just demonstrate this, I'm going to create a couple of buttons. So button. And this is going to have an ID of remove button. I'm going to put the text of remove inside of it. I'm going to have a button for empty. And I'm going to put the text of empty inside of it. Reload, see what we get. At the moment, these don't do anything. But if we just add some selectors for the buttons, so remove button, and let's add one for the other one as well, the empty. So give me a second, I can just copy and paste this, save some time, do empty. Okay, so to remove it, we just select the element. It could be simple, like a div or an advanced selector, that doesn't matter. Do dot remove, and the same for empty, but instead of the remove method, we're using the empty method. So if I reload, see what we get. So if I go to elements, you can see we got this. Let's see what happens if we click the empty one first. It removes all content. So it removes all content, including any text that's not enclosed inside of another element, but it's all content inside of it. What I'm actually going to do to demonstrate this properly is have a bit of a style, and I'm going to say the div will have a background color of red. I'll apply a text color of white so it's easier to see, and now I'm going to apply a width of 200 pixels. I'll say this is the min width, and I'll say a min height of 400 pixels. Reload. So this is I supply it to all divs. We don't want that. I'm just going to select this particular one. So I'm going to say parent div. Yeah, this will be a lot better than what's currently happened. So if I reload it, yeah, that's what we want. If I click empty, as you can see, this div still exists. If I reload and I click remove, that div is now disappeared. What do you think will happen if I click empty and then remove? You'll still just remove the div. Doesn't matter whether it's got content inside of it or not. So you can go a step further and only remove based on a certain filter. So for example, if I have a class of epic div, now I have another div, and I'm going to say pizza is awesome, and I am going to create one last button. This will be remove filter button. Filter remove. So we're only going to remove any divs that have the class of epic div. So if I copy this, that'd be easy if I copy this one because it's already got remove in there. So it's remove filter button, and you do dot remove, but then you put the filter. So in this case, I'm going to put dot, and it was epic div. So if I reload, so we got the red div and we got the regular div. If I click filter remove, it's only removed that one because this particular div did not have this class at all. You can actually apply sort of, multiple conditions. So it says whether or not it has, a particular one, by using comma. But this is the similar principle as, you would do with selectors as well. So that's it, simple stuff. If you have any questions, because we've covered quite a lot of, content in here, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.